Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable magnifier in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click rightmost button icon of Start, and then you need to go to Settings. After that, from the left panel, you need to go to Accessibility Settings, and here we need to find something like magnifier reading, and zoom increment. We need to open this option, and here the first option is magnifier. You can enable it by pressing the Windows logo key and the plus sign to turn on magnifier, and press the Windows logo key and escape to turn it off. Or you can enable it by clicking on this one dot, and here we have magnifier settings. On default it is set to full screen, so if you click plus button to zoom in, the screen will be zoomed in, but of course if you want to change it to previous value, you need to click on the plus button, and then 100% will be set. I recommend you to close this window and change view from full screen to lens. After that, we can enable the magnifier again, and now we can control better the zoom effect. So for example, if you increase it, the zoom will be enabled only on this area where we have this box. So it may be really useful for you if you want to zoom any elements on the screen. So if I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.